Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I've got Lestoil, heavy duty for oil and grease, household and laundry stains. Heavy duty multi-purpose cleaner, 48 ounces. This is made by the Clorox company, the same folks who ruined the original Pine Sol several years ago. But this stuff seems to be pretty good still. I will leave a section of the SDS right here in this portion of the video to see its contents. And here's just a look at everything. Warnings and whatnots. Contact info. Let's get started. Go to the cloud cam now. Here's the cloud cam. As with tradition, 1 capful per gallon. And it is a bit industrial smelling. Smells fresh though. Let's have a look at that. It's got some decent clouding, so that's a good sign. Let's get started mopping, see what happens. And of course I'll go over the floor twice. It's got a bit of an oily smell to it. But that's alright. It's not a bad smell. There's once. And here's twice. All done. And here's after. It did pick up some dirt and it's got some floaties in it as usual. So that did a pretty good job. While not my favorite product, I would use it again. Once again, this has been Cleaning the Floor with Lestoil. Thank you for watching.